All right, guys, I wanted to let you know about a feature in Oasis that you may not have known existed. It is the mark in and out feature in Oasis. So, for example, here's when you would use it. We've uploaded a ton of great COVID file video to Oasis in the last week. Things like grocery stores, Uptown, Romare Bearden Park, a whole bunch of stuff. But I guess it's worth pointing out that some of these clips are pretty long, and you may not want to download the whole thing. For example, this clip right here is almost 4 minutes long. So say you're doing a whip and you only need like really 30-40 seconds of video. Downloading this whole 4-minute clip would logically take like 8 times longer than you'd need to download just a 30-second clip. So here's what you can do. Pull up the thing that you want to download in Oasis. So we'll use this clip of kids playing outside. Go to the section that you want to start clipping and mark in. Hit play. For the sake of time, we'll advance it like 40 seconds. Yeah, about 42 seconds here, and hit mark out. Now, instead of downloading this whole 4-minute long clip, we're just downloading about 42 seconds of video. Enough for us to cover our whip with B-roll. And just like any other clip you download, you go to Actions, Request, Download, Request. Now the clip will download to your computer, but instead of the whole 4-minute long clip that may take a long time to download, you're getting the 42-second clip, which should only take a fraction of the time to download. So, give this a shot next time you need to download just a little bit of B-roll or just say one soundbite for a package. Give this a try and see if it works for you. Now, having said this, you probably should still find an occasion to download some of these full COVID file clips. When your shift is over, go home, pull up Oasis, pick a bunch of entries that you know you'll need: closed businesses, closed restaurants, kids playing inside, kids learning at home, whatever you need, and just go ahead and let those bad boys download while you're eating dinner, while you're watching TV. That way, the next day when you start your next shift, they're right there ready for you, and you can use them without having to download them in the field when internet is slower and time is at more of a premium. So anyway, give this a shot, guys, and call me, text me, or email me if you have any questions.